In the hearts of Tibetan herdsmen, sacred mountain and holy lake is not only the place of living, but also the dimensional and spiritual sustenance. According to the legend, Intangible mountain has worldly pedigree. The father is Ward Zije, mother is Yongzhi Shuji, and Namtso is his concubine. There is an ancient legend on the north bank of Namtso. In the 8th century, the Tibetan king Tibet-Namtso welcomed Master Guru Rinpoche to Tibet to spread the Dharma, and after subdued Intangible, amidst Namtso was protest to Intangible. A grand wedding ceremony was held on the island of Tibet-Lanka. The night before the wedding, 108 magical power at Namtso Lake. Overnight, a stone gate shaped like a holy elephant was built for Intangible. Later generations called it Tibet-Namtso. In the believer's mind, it is a sacred gateway to heaven. Tanya Gyatso said that, how many years Namtso has waited for me? How many years I have waited for you? That day, I closed my eyes in the incense fog of the Buddha's hall. That month, I turned all the prayer was not for my civilization, but for the touch of your fingertips. That year, I prostrated myself along the mountain path, not for my pilgrimage, but for the warmth of the being close to you. That life, I turned around the mountain and the rivers. I turned around all the pagas, not for ending my afterlife, but to meet with you in the way.